sun comes shining, I see diamonds dancing on the bay. Love to watch the sun go down on the islands where the palm trees sway. All the stars come out and the music of the night begins to play. You gotta, we gotta, we gotta see Gypsy Holiday. All the boats are in, all the crew goes out. I love to watch them sing and dance, I hear them shouting, regatta, see Gypsy Holiday. Regatta, see Gypsy Holiday. Hear the magic in the air, spinning yarns of days long ago. Every island takes its turn to help keep the ancient spirit whole. Good times and memories are stained into the fabric of the sail. See gypsies come and go with the swish of a mermaid's tail. All the boats are in, all the crew goes out. I love to watch them sing and dance, I hear them shouting, regatta, see Gypsy Holiday. Regatta, see Gypsy Holiday. Regatta, see Gypsy Holiday. Regatta, see Gypsy Holiday. When the morning sun comes shining, I see a flag out on the mark. All the boats tacking back and forth, waiting for the race to start. Feel the tension on the deck, anticipation of the race. It's a sight to behold when the fleet is finally underway. All the boats are in, all the crew goes out. I love to watch them sing and dance, I hear them shouting, regatta, see Gypsy Holiday. 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 Regatta.
Pirates of the heart and soul, look me in the eye and know you have control. All your childhood memories and everything you've ever dreamed is in the hole. Lies and lines we've lived between are rigged upon the sail. Every breeze that blows and whispers rumors and tall tales. This becomes success when everything you've done's fail. Again, remember the first time you loved, the pleasure, the first time you touched, kissed and laughed. Everything you should have done and everything you'd just begun was your first draft. Out upon the sea, new tranquility delights. You'll lie awake instead of sleeping through the night. Out upon the sea, you lie suspended between earth and sky. Tourists always say, I wish I could give it all up and sail away. Well, just take your round trip ticket, flick it high into the air, then life can be that way. Now you're standing naked on the deck out in the wind. Your old teacher wailing on the storms that rage within. See St. Elmo's fire and the shrouds begin to sing in tune.
Pirates of the heart.
Sail away. Say